recording, ma'am.
Ma'am, it's available.
Available for me. None of the class recording is available for past 2 weeks. I don't know where it has gone.
It
Check in the
is visible
replies.
to us. It visible to us, ma'am.
For you it's visible means it is good for me. I was thinking it
Okay.
is not visible for anybody. For me, no need. It is visible to all of you, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Last
Yes, ma'am.
class, introduction class was visible.
Yes, ma'am.
Somebody please download that video. Sometime if I will ask means send me through WhatsApp. Okay. Hey man.
Ma'am, we can't send that video via WhatsApp, ma'am. Like I will upload in YouTube and I will send the link to you, ma'am, if you want. Like that's
No
what I am doing since last.
no
I can mail you.
you
Mail
can
you.
see who will mail me. You can save it, download it, you can send through WhatsApp, any medium you can use. If once you are able to download into your system na, you can send it, no issue for that. Hemant.
We can't send via we can't send via
It's over
WhatsApp, ma'am. It's
400
more than 400 MB.
No,
It's
listen.
use file, man.
Yeah,
It's a
yeah,
huge-
yeah.
Yeah.
So see if you can download. No, are you able to download?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Where it is saving?
The same place
In Teams,
where the
ma'am.
class sends.
Teams.
No,
In
no,
Teams.
no, 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 no.
In Teams downloads, ma'am. In Teams.
Yes, Teams downloads and it will save in your system.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
In your system download file, or where usually you have restricted your that main softwares you are downloading, whether in C drive or any other particular download file, download folder, then only you can access it. Okay, anyway guys, who is having the first introduction class video? No, you just mail me. I think in VIT mail it is not possible. Means here itself you can send me through chat box. Here we have chat option, no, in Microsoft Team. You send me from there, no issue, it will come. You try.
Ma'am, you didn't record that first week's, like you didn't record that first Monday, February 1st Monday.
I am not telling that February 1st Monday, Dinesh. I am telling about last class only.
Last week.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am. I
wait.
have the last class recording.
I am asking only the last class recording.
Yes, ma'am. Like I said,
Ma'am,
it.
like if you want, right now we can send that link, ma'am, for last class recording link in
We
WhatsApp.
have you.
Okay, send in chat box, today's chat box.
Yes,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
I will send
Dinesh,
it,
send it, Dinesh.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, guys, how many of you have installed the software properly and you are getting it open? Just raise your hand symbol from your system. So, Vaibhav Kumar, Karthik, Shreya, Santanu Anand, and Srinidhi, Prerna, Jayasuriya, Kaushik, then Lalit and Pavan. Whose name I called. Guys, what is the issue along with you?
Ma'am, we are not able to download and open.
For Shreya, that is the issue. Okay. For remaining guys, Santanu raised his hand. Okay. What about Pavan Sriram?
Ma'am, I had said you that, ma'am, but my laptop got crashed.
Okay, laptop issue.
Ma'am,
Then,
not only that, ma'am, excuse me, ma'am.
tell me, I'm listening only.
Not only that laptop crashed, ma'am, but after downloading that, I can't open that software in my laptop also.
Wait, we will sort it out. Kaushik. Kaushik Prakash. Srinidhi.
Yes, ma'am.
Kumar, what is your name? Kumar Su. Yeah.
Come on,
Huh.
sorry.
Yes, what is your
Ma'am,
issue?
I tried. I tried download it, ma'am, but it's. I also chatted in you, but it's the error is showing, ma'am, for my laptop. Something.
Okay, fine.
That's why I separately typed some text to you in MS Teams, ma'am.
Okay,
And
then. So as of now, Pavan, Kaushik, Srinidhi Kumar Su, and Shreya, you all four are only facing issue.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, my name is Kaushik. Yeah, even I'm facing an issue with the software.
Yeah, what type of issue you are facing?
Ma'am, I tried downloading it last time also. It didn't come exactly. It opened and then it said couldn't run program. So I'm doing it right now.
Guys, any one of you have raised your hand whether you faced the same problem and how you got the solution of it. Please share your experience.
Ma'am, it's simple, ma'am. After installing, we should go to click on Windows and click on expand. Will be visible that capture CIS light, and we should click on it.
After that, it will show that installation file.
Yes, ma'am. Like in the
Yeah,
system, you can search for Capture CIS Lite. That's the software which we are using. Like you
Yes,
can
ma'am.
search for your system.
Shreya, whether you got your answer, which software you are wrongly maybe selecting, you have to select only capture light.
Okay, ma'am. I'll try that again.
Yeah, you should not select actually the capture, or I think one more name is there. You should not select that. You have to select only capture light.
Okay,
17.4, I think, no, Ritika?
17.2, ma'am.
Yes.
17.4, no?
Yes, ma'am.
That only you have to select, yeah. So,
Okay,
Kaushik, you are trying now, na? You just try that. Kaushik.
Yes, ma'am, I'm trying that only.
Okay, so Srinidhi and Kaushik got. What about Chaitanya Sharma and Pavan Sriram?
Ma'am,
Pavan,
links and card box.
for recordings. Okay, thank you. I'll check that. I'm asking Pavan Sriram and Chaitanya Sharma.
Ma'am, I have messaged you that about my laptop crash last night, right?
Right means don't tell me. I was not along with you. You have just conveyed me the message. Don't
Yes, no,
tell like
I just messaged you that about my laptop crash last night, so I can't do. I should check after after getting my laptop.
after getting the laptop.
Yes, ma'am. They told that it will be by Thursday or Friday. I'll get my laptop back.
See, this is the last chance I'm giving you all. Those having this issue, means a laptop issue, crashed or battery issue. Not for those who already got the tasks, means already got the software and they have implemented. This is not for them. Okay. So as soon as you have to get your laptop, you have to install it and you have to refer the recordings. Okay, how to proceed for the first lab. Okay, then 3 issues solved. What about Kumar Su? For you also laptop issue? Sai Kumar Su?
Now I'm trying, ma'am. Just I will try now and I will tell you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yeah, so guys, those who already got the software and you have gone through it, have you now raise your hand down? Raise your hand down. Raise your hand symbol down. Yeah. Have you done your 3 configuration? All the 3 closed loop configuration?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. How many of you have not done all the 3? Just raise your hand.
Ma'am,
All
I did only one.
No, I'm just asking 1 or 2. I'm asking those who have not done all 3 completely, raise your hand. Raise your hand symbol. Okay. Hemant.
Yes, ma'am.
Devaki Nandan. Then Venkata Manikant, then Dinesh, Vineet, and Chaitanya Sharma, Sudhir, Kaushik Prakash, and Akash Bajpayee. No, Akash is done. Okay, guys, so you try to complete all the 3 by today itself, and those who have done, now raise your hand down, guys. Raise your hand down. Those who are raising the hand symbol, put it down. Yeah. So, guys, those who have already completed, I will give you chance now to verify your output, as well as you can see in your file tab in your L3132 slot. I have uploaded 2 sample to prepare your lab records. Left file, in that file tab option, you just check 2 samples are uploaded. If you are able to see, just let me know. You go back from this window and tell me.
Yes, ma'am, it is there.
Just open it. Two samples I have given. First one, the internal part of the report, and the next one will be what should be the main page of the report always when you are preparing. Okay. Okay, guys. So those who have
Ma'am, where
completed
did you upload it?
file tab
Oh, yeah, in Teams.
in Teams only, in particular class team. Okay, guys. So those who have completed and those who have not also, just a moment. I'll share one question along with you. Then only I will make you the presentee. Meanwhile, those who have completed, they may proceed for the next thing. Just a moment. Guys,
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. I hope my screen
Yes,
is
ma'am.
visible to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Just have a look onto the screen. Those who have completed all the three configuration, yeah, just have a look. Those only, it is very important because guys, you are updated, so you may proceed for the next task. Okay, meanwhile I'll check your output also. So all of you, those who have completed or not completed also previous task, just have a look. So here, this is the task 2 for you. So first one was your closed loop configuration. I'm just assigning the first task as the simple one for you. The second one, just have a look onto the screen. Guys, here the audio panport circuit is shown in the figure below, which is used to continuously vary the position of the signal V1 between the left and right stereo channels. So here suppose we have the panport circuit. Panport circuit means where you can change your volume by sliding the position of the knob. That knob is nothing but your rheostat or variable register. So two speakers are there in the form of op-amp, top op-amp and bottom op-amp. So you want to change the volume in that way. At a time one speaker will work, and what should be the position of the rheostat at that time. Similarly, if you want to play both the speaker of the stereo in terms of this op-amp, at that time what should be the position of the rheostat. So the position of the rheostat, total capacity of the rheostat is 10 kilo ohm, but where you have to keep that register so that either top of the op-amp or bottom of the op-amp will function out. Or at a time suppose the rheostat is at the middle, what will happen to the circuit, that you have to identify in terms of the output voltage waveform. That is the task of this description. So once again I'll read the question for you. The audio panport circuit shown in figure below is used to continuously vary the position of signal V1. Here is the V1 between the left and the right stereo channels. Specify R1 and R2. Here R1 and R2, so that VL by V1 is equal to minus of 1 volt when the wiper is fully down. Here is the wiper is fully down. Okay. Then VR by V1 means first one is for left hand side, another one for the right hand side. So VR by V1 is minus 1 when the wiper is fully up. This wiper is fully up. And VL by V1 equal to VR by V1, which is equal to minus of 1 by root 2 when the wiper is halfway at the middle. So what should be the output voltage of this op-amp at different position of this variable register? So first you have to find out the unknown value of R1, R2, because here the resistance values are provided. Then only you can find out the output voltage. So how do you proceed for this, guys? Just think. Then only I will give you the clue. You have to solve this part. If you want, take the snapshot of it. How do you find out the unknown resistors connected in terms of R1 and R2? That I will describe you. Okay, now one by one, those who have completed the three different configuration, raise your hand. I will make you the presentee. Guys, did you understand the concept of the question? You have two speakers in terms of two op-amp, and at the middle one variable register knob is there. What is the position of the knob? It has given, and when the left and right of the stereo or the op-amp will function out. So that you have to calculate, means at there you have to calculate the gain and the output voltage as well as the unknown resistors present in the circuit. That is the task 2. Yeah, those who have completed, I'll mark for them, guys, that task 1 completed. Verification is done. Only documentation is pending for them. So that you have to do and upload at a time. Okay, at a time means now onwards, if it is done for you, your documentation is ready, means you may upload that.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
in the
wait.
last you have checked our output also. So again, we have to show.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, Prakhar
No,
Meer
I'm not getting.
Ma'am, in the last class, mine and Kishore out 2-3 boys have shown already, and you have already written our names.
Yes, ma'am.
No, once again you show me. I have to make a note of it. Once again you show it to me. Because the files will be saved, you know.
Okay, ma'am. We have to show 3 different, or in one we will change and we have to show.
No time to change and do. You have to do 3 different pages.
Okay.
At a time, just click the circuit. I'll check the circuit and as well as output. So if it is ready, in that case, I will make you presenting.
Like I have a doubt, ma'am. Like it's not coming at the last step for the first one.
Have you seen the recording, Hemant? I am sure you
Yes,
have not
ma'am.
seen.
No, ma'am. Today morning only I completed the recording and I did, ma'am.
What you are doing for the 1 week then, Hemant? We have completed in the last week itself, no?
No, ma'am, it's not like that. Like I asked my friend, like he was busy, but he told yesterday night. So today morning I completed those things.
Hemant, this is online class. For that sake, only recordings are provided to you.
Okay.
You can watch the recording as many as time.
Okay, ma'am.
If you guys are not doing that, what is the purpose of doing the recordings and to give you the videos? If again the same thing will reflect back to the faculty. What is the purpose of recording, guys? If you do like this, I will not record any of my class. I am ready to answer your questions in the class itself. Tell me, what do you want from me?
No, you record class, ma'am. We'll make our mistakes, right?
Because
we'll
in
make
the class, strength is more, time is less. I have to verify your output first. This is the second lab. The chance has been given by me to do the pending work, not by clearing the doubt. Doubt clear means you have to refer the records. That's why initially I asked whether the recordings are visible to you or not. To confirm that, if it is visible to you, now it is the job of you to rectify the errors, not by me. Because that has done in the last class itself. If you are not doing that and still facing problem is where the problem, you just find out whether the mistake is from my side or your side. Hemant.
Yes, ma'am.
You watch the recording and solve it, Hemant. I have to verify the output. Okay, because this is the last chance. Yeah. So guys, remaining person, shall I make you the presentee?
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. See guys, time is very less with us. Only 1 hour and 30 minutes. In this, I have to verify each and every one output. I have to ensure that you all should get the output. Not by not getting at the last moment.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
It is flickering, coming and going.
Ma'am, I think others are also sharing at the same time.
No. You just share it. Because once your screen will be visible, no.
I'll share it again then.
This is Sai Kishore, right? Guys, just wait. Sai Kishore is sharing.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, now can you see? And this is inverting.
Wait. Let me to see. Actually, Sai Kishore, you just do one thing.
Yes.
In your ribbon, have you seen that the V mark? The V has been selected. That after fold voltage probe, you deselect that. Wait, let me to see the V offset 0, V amplitude 1. Why the additional plus VCC is at here?
Ma'am, that is just I renamed it, label name.
You need not to do that. You have to just do plus 15 minus 15. That's all.
Yes.
Which output you are referring? Whose video you are referring?
Yours only, ma'am. Matlab, I was looking at all this. I was just clicking and seeing what all I can.
I didn't say all these things, no?
Yes, ma'am. You didn't say. I was just doing it on my own yesterday. So I thought, okay, I'll just rename R1, RF. Like that, I renamed everything.
Okay, show me the output.
Yes, ma'am. And this is for inverting.
Okay, but show it in two different windows.
Yes, ma'am.
And keep the cursor also so the value will be visible. Okay, remaining two.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, this is for non-inverting.
Why? What happened? The output is not coming.
I don't know why.
You delete that and bring the probe once again. Have you set that edit simulation parameter window?
Yes, ma'am, I have set, ma'am.
Coming. No. You just check one by one. You check input, run it, then you connect probe to the output.
Okay, ma'am.
You delete output probe. Now you run it for input if it is coming or not. No, first without connecting the probe you run it, then you connect the probe.
Ma'am, the problem is like first run it and then put the probe, then it will definitely show.
Yeah, that's what I'm also saying, no?
And
No.
can I show? I will tell.
I will try the next one, ma'am. 1 second. Voltage
Yeah.
follower.
Yes. Guys, I will tell you today one more way to check the to connect the VCC. First, you show your attempt from your side. Then only I will tell you.
Ma'am, for voltage follower, it is coming.
So in two separate window. Okay, fine.
One last time I'll try non-inverting.
No. You just stop sharing. You just do it from backside. I'll allow you later. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
You stop sharing. Let others to get the chance. Yeah. Who is next to show?
Ma'am, Vikas.
Vikas. Yeah, Vikas, proceed.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, this is inverting, ma'am. Inverting one, ma'am.
Yes, visible only. Proceed.
Ma'am, output, ma'am.
Because three different, 4 different colors are coming.
Ma'am, I will check, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. Ma'am, these are also running, ma'am, at the same time.
Inverting and non-inverting all are running.
Yeah, ma'am, I will delete these things, ma'am. I will keep these again, ma'am. Ma'am.
Yeah, show it in 2 different windows.
Ma'am, for 2 different windows, we have to click here, ma'am.
You have to add trace or plot, add plot. Plot option is there.
Here, ma'am.
Go to plot.
Yes, ma'am.
Add plot. First, one by one, you go. Keep cursor on input. Then click,
Okay.
then run. Then keep cursor in output. It will come. Delete it. You have delete it. Click delete symbol and run it once.
Okay.
Now run it.
Yes, ma'am. Now again we have to add this one.
Go to first plot. No, first add plot to window. Then only you just do.
Ma'am.
Same. Go to plot. Add plot.
Okay, ma'am. Now.
Now connect the probe in output. Now click your simulation. No need to run.
Ma'am, it's again coming in the same window, ma'am.
Click for run now. You no need to click run. It will come.
Ma'am, I will show the same for second and third one, ma'am, in different windows.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, this is for non-inverting, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am. I will delete this thing.
This is not non-inverting. This is inverting. You are saying.
This is inverting. Ma'am, no non-inverting.
Yes, proceed.
Ma'am, adding probes, ma'am. 1 minute, ma'am.
Once only you run, then add plot option you go. Because you are not following me. Okay,
yes, ma'am.
however you want you do. Later I will show you.
No, ma'am. No, add. No, go to plot and add. That's only, no, ma'am. Plot Add plot to window.
Then click probe. Bring
Okay.
that probe.
Coming into windows now.
Yeah. Then
This
add trace that toggle cursor you do. Okay.
These are the values now.
Okay,
and
fine.
for voltage
Last.
follow voltage. Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am. I will remove these things. Adding the probe. Run. Command plot. Add plot to window. Ma'am, voltage follow.
Yes, good. Okay. Okay, Vikas. Stop sharing and raise your hand down also.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, next I will share, ma'am. Krishna Bhargav.
Who? Krishna. Yeah, we share it.
Can you see, ma'am?
Yes, I can see.
Ma'am, this is for inverting, ma'am. Output, ma'am.
If you show me the graph, I should not tell you this is output. Where you have to show? Where is the tabulation?
1 second, sorry.
Yeah. With the value only you have to tell that this is the output. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So here you have to tell what is the input voltage and what is the generated output voltage and how much gain you got.
Yes, ma'am. For the input voltage of -1, we are getting plus 10 volt, ma'am. For -1 volt input, we are getting plus 10 volt output. This is for inverting, ma'am.
Negative voltage you are giving or just giving voltage to the negative input source
Yes,
only?
Negative input source, yes, ma'am.
So input of 1 volt, output is minus 10 volt. Like that you have to inverted 10 volt. Like that you have to tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes. Okay, ma'am. This is for inverted, ma'am. Now this is the circuit for non-inverting, ma'am.
Bhargav, you have given the runtime as 10 millisecond. You can give 5 millisecond, means your output will be more clear.
Okay,
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
10 cycles are appearing no on your screen.
Yes, ma'am. And this is the second circuit, ma'am. This is for the non-inverting, ma'am. Now, now I will give 5 millisecond, ma'am, as you told.
And step size is same, 0.01 M.
Yes, ma'am. Now I will run the circuit. First I will keep probing. Sorry. This is the input graph, ma'am. Now I will add plot.
Now it is more clear or not?
Yes, ma'am. It's clear, ma'am. This is for non-inverting, ma'am. Now just 5 cycles are appearing. Before some graph was like that.
Yeah, cycle is appearing, but check the input-output voltage. Tell me the input and output voltage.
Yes, ma'am. For the input of 1 volt, the output is 10 volt, ma'am. It's non-inverting. Non-inverting output. Yes, ma'am.
Non-inverting output is how much?
10 volt, ma'am.
Krishna Bhargav, calculate and tell me.
Yes, ma'am. Here.
Prakhar.
This is the.
Yes, ma'am.
What should be the answer for the non-inverting output voltage?
Ma'am, I think minus 11. The copy in which I have calculated. I just 1 minute, ma'am. I will tell. 1 minute.
You guys are thinking I'll just see your sinusoidal waveform. I will not ask you any technical question.
Ma'am, here the input for minus 1 volt is coming output as minus 10 volt.
It should be 11
this is
volt.
non-inverting.
Minus
Krishna Bhargav.
11 volt.
It is non-inverting. None of the case it will come negative.
Yes,
how do you say like that? How do you say like that? Yes, Prakhar, it will be 11 volt only. So mostly it will come practically 10.99 it will come. It is coming also.
0.994 like that coming, ma'am.
But you are not able to justify the answer, huh?
Generally seeing.
No, generally seeing, that's why I am also telling you not to see generally. You have to see deeply only.
Yes, ma'am. Sorry.
There is no general see.
Yes,
General see we can do in theory, but in lab we have to go in detail.
Yes, ma'am.
Always remember what is the gain formula for the non-inverting op-amp? Who will say?
Minus 1 plus RF by R1, ma'am.
Yes. And for inverting?
RF by R1. Minus
what
R1.
you are telling? Minus of RF by R1. Yeah. Remember this thing, guys. This minus and plus will take you to either top in the class or bottom in the class. Okay, 180 degree. Both phase shift will be there. Okay, Bhargav. The last one.
Voltage follower, ma'am.
Yes. What is the another name of voltage follower circuit, Bhargav?
Voltage follower means.
Don't turn your pages. Turn your mind.
Some unity gain output something.
Unity gain op-amp. Yeah. So you are writing. It means you are writing in class. Okay. So Jayasuriya, can you say that? Why do we say it is unity gain op-amp?
Its gain is 1, ma'am. Since it is resistance R1 resistance R1 is infinity, ma'am, and RF is 0. So 1 plus 0 by infinity, it will come as 1, ma'am. So overall gain is 1.
Okay. Why it is called as voltage follower?
And because it will repeats its input voltage again and again. If we provide input 1 volt, it will again give output as a 1 volt.
If you provide 2 volt, then?
Ma'am, the output will be 2 volt because V naught is equals to V in.
The output always follows the input.
Yes, ma'am.
Right?
Yes, ma'am.
You have to remember all the technical things behind your lab. Okay, theory, whatever I am teaching, the same thing we are practicing in lab, not to just show me the answer in a fancy way. You have to know the justification of each and every circuit and its output. Okay, guys, those who are ready and you have raised your hand, be careful about all those things. It's better not to share the output. If you are sharing the output, you have to answer my questions. And those who are not at all raising their hand, you forget about the full mark. You will be evaluated with reduction in marks. Okay, guys, my motive is not to share you. My motive is to get the reach of the subject. You should know the basic of the subject. And these are the very basic classes. Okay. Yeah. Voltage follower is.
Voltage follower output, ma'am.
Yeah, check the output voltage. What is the input? What is the output?
See, ma'am, input voltage is 0.9991 volt, ma'am. And the output voltage is also 0.99991 volt, ma'am.
How much it should come?
It is equal to the input voltage only, ma'am. Because the gain is 1, we are giving voltage follower gain is 1, no, ma'am. That's why.
Okay. So guys, you can see I have uploaded 2 files in that after the component requirement or list of components, one design parameter calculation is there. So here, what is the design parameter of this lab? What is it? Gain and output voltage, right? Yes or no? Guys, what is the design parameter?
Gain and output
Gain and output voltage.
Yeah, gain and output voltage. Yeah. So that you have to calculate theoretically also. Then how much you got practically, you have to compare in the tabulation. One tabulation is also there, no? You have to maintain those reading. Theoretical value of V in it will be same, but practical and theoretical value of V out will be different, and it relates to the gain. Okay. Okay, guys. Yeah. Who is next?
I'm completed, ma'am.
Can I do, ma'am? Can I show?
Ma'am, I have shared.
Ma'am,
Yeah,
Jayashree, I have shared.
Oh, Jayashree.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, no issue, no issue. Next time onwards, I will allow only one by one.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. This is
Ritika, after Prakash.
This is non-inverting, ma'am.
Jayashree.
Yes, ma'am.
Non-inverting.
Yes, ma'am.
This is non-inverting.
Sorry, ma'am. Inverting. Sorry. Inverting, ma'am. Input. Sorry.
What do you guys? Where is your mind, huh? You are talking something and there is something in your mind. Is there anything is going to be missed after this class? You guys are in a hurry, or you guys are so scared of the subject or the lab, or what is going on? Showing me something, telling something. Something is going on in your mind. If I will ask you one question, the answer will be very different than this.
No, ma'am.
Yeah.
First lab, no, just one.
First lab.
Okay. Here input is taken -1, ma'am. So output is getting 9.999 plus positive.
Don't tell input is -1, guys. Don't tell input is negative.
Okay, ma'am.
What I said. For what property of the op-amp the output is coming negative? Explain me. Yes, Surya.
Okay,
who will explain? If you don't know the answer, say pass. Pass. It will pass to the next candidate. Yeah. Just Surya, will you answer this question, or shall I ask the other student?
Other person.
Other. Okay. Throw the ball to other. Later it will come to you only. Yeah. Who will answer? Why the output is coming negative, by which property of the IC741 or the op-amp? Because of which property of the op-amp it is coming like this? Anybody can answer. Don't think that those who have said their hand, they can only answer. No.
Ma'am, the input is connected to negative terminal. That's why the output is inverting.
Yeah, that is the property of the op-amp, right? When we are applying input, particularly to the inverting amplifier, as per the property of the op-amp, it will come inverted output. Inverted in the sense negative sign or 180-degree phase shift. Got the answer, Jayashree?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So how much value it is coming? This is which circuit, Jayashree?
Inverting, ma'am. You asked to answer, no, ma'am. That's why I again opened it.
Okay, show it in 2 different windows.
Yes, ma'am. If input is given
Input is given
0.999 input, ma'am, and output we are getting minus 9.997.
Okay, fine. Voltage follower.
And this is non-inverting, ma'am. Now I am showing non-inverting.
Yes, I got it. Voltage follower you show. Good. But there is the decrease in peak, no? Why it is happening?
Ma'am, this is non-inverting, ma'am.
Which one is input? Top or bottom?
Bottom one is input, ma'am.
Bottom is input. Check it
Yes,
properly.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Bottom one is input, ma'am.
Yes.
1 volt.
Minus
And
1 to
top.
1 volt.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Now going to voltage follower, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. When input is 0.999, output also 0.999.
Okay, fine.
Yes,
Ma'am, can I share now?
Prakhar.
Yes, ma'am.
Can I share now, ma'am?
After Prakhar, I told you, no, Ritika?
Okay, ma'am.
And this is inverting. I will.
Why lot of loops are there, Prakhar, in your circuit? Why the grounds are not directly taken? It is just climbing the staircases.
Ma'am, actually at the time I have not zoom and not properly made. That's why it is coming like this.
Okay, fine. Your circuit should look like simple and straight.
Are you able to see?
I am able to see only your circuit, not your output. तुम ना स्क्रीन शेयर जब करो तो स्क्रीन #1 पे ही क्लिक करना, तो एट ए टाइम जो भी आएगा वो दिख जाएगा, नहीं तो 1 by 1 तुम्हें फिर से बार बार शेयर करना पड़ेगा, समझे?
यस मैम, समझ गए।
अभी स्लाइड करो कर्सर को।
ये इन्वर्टिंग,
ये इन्वर्टिंग नहीं, रुको पहले टॉगल कर्सर एंड कर्सर पिक को मूव करो। Okay, which one is input, which one is output?
Down one is input.
Okay, next. रितिका बी रेडी, प्रखर के बाद तुम शेयर करना।
यस मैम।
रितिका तुम कहाँ से हो, घर कहाँ पे है?
मैम हूँ मैं ओडिशा से मैम, बट रहती हूँ रांची झारखंड।
अच्छा, उड़ीसा के कहाँ से हो?
मैम संबलपुर।
अच्छा, संबलपुर के कहाँ से हो?
मैम पटनायक पाड़ा।
बस
वहीं एग्जैक्टली वहीं पे घर है।
ओके, यस 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 प्रखर। रांची में कब से रह रहे हो?
मैम 20 साल।
संबलपुर जाते हो?
यस मैम, जाती हूँ संबलपुर वेकेशंस में।
उड़िया आता है?
यस मैम, आता है।
अच्छा ठीक है ओके, बात करेंगे फिर। प्रखर,
फॉलोअर चल रहा है।
नहीं मेरा भी चल रहा है, फॉलो ऑन ही चल रहा है।
ठीक है, सेम है दोनों।
अरे हम लोग के नेटिव वाले मिल गए ना, तो कैसे बात ना करूं फिर।
मैं मेरे तीनों रूममेट ओडिया ही थे।
क्या?
मेरे को आधी
मतलब कहाँ चली गई?
उससे ही सीखने में आ गई मेरे को।
अच्छा उड़िया आ गई, मतलब बोलना आ गया तुम्हें?
मैं बोलना नहीं आया मैम, वो जैसे दोस्त बोलता था को करू छू, ऐसा मतलब थोड़ा बहुत समझ में आता है, ज्यादा नहीं आता।
नहीं वो भी चलेगा। को करू छु, ये ऐसा नहीं बोलता होगा कौन करू छो।
मैं वो आती थोड़ा गुजराती, हमको थोड़ा समझ में आएगी ओडिया।
मिक्स कर दो, एक लैंग्वेज नया वाला बना डाला, ठीक है। हाँ
मैम हो गया?
हाँ हो गया। और जो मैंने जो दिखाया था क्वेश्चन तुम लोग को बीच में,
मैम वो ट्राई करते, मैम बताते आपको पक्का।
उसके बारे में भी ध्यान दो, ठीक है?
Yes, ma'am,
इसीलिए
yes.
मैंने दिखा ही दिया था तुम लोगों को, नहीं तो तुम लोग कहाँ जाओगे। या गाइस,
करते।
yeah, so
Ma'am?
listen to me guys, one minute. So guys, those who are updating with me, like completing the task in time, okay, and surely the advantage will be there for them. This is for your kind information. You take it very seriously. Don't think that if ma'am is giving 1 lab, 2 lab, 3 lab, 4 lab to show us the previous task, the same mark we will get throughout the lab. No, it's not like that. That evaluation will be different for you, and it will be different for those who have shown in time. Okay? Yeah. Then next. Yeah. Somebody was asking me.
यस मैम। मैम मेरा वो नॉन इन्वर्टिंग रह गया था साई किशोर।
हाँ, तो इशू कहाँ पे हो रहा था साई किशोर?
मैम वोल्टेज, डीसी वोल्टेज में मैंने दोनों में से एक ही को रिवर्स किया था, दूसरे को रिवर्स नहीं किया था।
ठीक है दिखाना आफ्टर रितिका।
ओके मैम, ओके।
या रितिका यू मे शेयर। हाँ
यस मैम। मैम इन्वर्टिंग का सर्किट।
यस रितिका। Ritika, output is not coming.
No, ma'am, output I'm showing, ma'am. 1 second.
Ritika, the same thing is applicable for you also. You need to click the window again and again while sharing the screen like this. When I am sharing the screen, one option only you have to select with #1. If you do that simultaneously back to back, whatever the page you will click from your system, that will appear. Okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, then carry on. Yeah, click on the cursor value and justify your answer, Ritika.
Yes, ma'am. 1 second.
Ritika, class रे बुझा पड़ुची?
हाँ मैम, हाँ।
तमे संबलपुरी कुह ना, माने ये कुह साहित्यिक भाषा कुह?
हाँ मैम, संबलपुरी को है।
अच्छा, तमे खाली रांची रे रही गलो ना?
हाँ मैम, हाँ।
बाकी सबे संबलपुर रे अछन?
हाँ मैम, संबलपुर बरगढ़ है आड़े।
अछन। अच्छा ठीक है। हमर घर बलांगीर, रितिका।
मैम बलांगीर रे भी मोर बहुत लोग अछन।
के?
मोर काका काकी माने अछन मैम बलांगीर रे।
अच्छा ठीक अच्छे पर कथा हम।
मैम श्योर मैम।
हो ठीक अच्छे। केन पड़ारे रहसन बलांगीर रहसे माने?
किए जाने मैम हेते भल से तो मी नाही जानी मैं माँ के पचरे करी तुमको कहमी
नहीं नहीं किसी कथा नहीं पर कथा है ओके ओके ठीक है तमे नेक्स्ट सर्किट शो करो
नेक्स्ट सर्किट यस मैम 1 सेकंड Inverting, ma'am. Non-inverting, sorry. Non-inverting. 1 second.
Keep the cursor.
Yes, ma'am.
सब्जेक्ट बुझी पारुछो
हाँ मैम हाँ भल से
ठीक ठीक है ठीक है
लास्ट है देखिए भी मैम वोल्टेज फॉलोअर
हाँ हाँ हाँ
हाँ voltage follower a circuit. मैम तार आउटपुट मैम
अलग अलग विंडो देखाबो
हाँ मैम श्योर 1 सेकंड
ऐड प्लॉट ऑप्शन प्लॉट go to circuit no go to circuit window
मैम 1 second yes ma'am
no this is not the process Ritika go to circuit window
yes ma'am
just remove the output voltage probe now run it run it run it huh
yes ma'am
then connect one voltage probe input only then go to plot add plot to window
yes ma'am ma'am now output right
yeah but I'm not able to see your simulation window Ritika output window no I'm not able to see
ma'am this are you able to see this
only circuit not the simulation window you have to share your screen for that
ma'am 1 second like I'm doing it once again Ma'am, are you able to see this? This is the input. Ma'am, now for the output, how I should do, ma'am?
Same, just add plot. Go to
First I should like run it and then.
No need to do now. Just add the probe.
Yes, I added the probe.
Your screen is not refreshed, no Ritika, that's why. Okay, no issue, no issue. It will come. You try and after others, I'll make you as the presentee. Okay?
Ma'am, just one second.
You have not shared your screen properly. That's why it is happening.
Okay, ma'am. Then you check others, ma'am. After that, at last, I'll show you the voltage follower one. Okay, ma'am.
Can I show, ma'am?
Yeah.
Can you see the screen?
Yes.
ये नॉन इन्वर्टिंग का तो यहाँ पे this was the fault. Now when I'm running it, तो इधर 1 वोल्ट पे अगर इनपुट है तो 11 वोल्ट -10.988 आउटपुट. Yes, ma'am.
Sai Kishore?
Yes, ma'am.
You are from which place? You know Hindi also properly, right?
हाँ मैम, मैं हूँ तो विशाखापट्टनम आंध्र प्रदेश से, लेकिन मैं बचपन से मुंबई में रहता हूँ इसलिए हिंदी बोलता हूँ मैम.
Very good. You are speaking very nice Hindi, but your name it shows you are Telugu.
Yes.
What a very big name. I am not able to pronounce at a time. Mantri Pragada Sai Kishore. Then?
मैम मेरा नाम मंत्री प्रगड़ा साई किशोर आत्रेय तक ही है, लेकिन फिर महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड से हूं ना मैं, तो यहाँ पे उन लोग ने क्या किया था कि फादर्स नेम अटैच कर देते हैं स्टूडेंट के नेम के बाद में. तो
और
जो
आंध्रा वाले किसका नाम अटैच करते हैं पहले बच्चे के नाम से पहले?
मैम आंध्रा में भी काफी वेरिएशन है. कुछ लोग के नाम में पापा का नाम नहीं आता है, कुछ लोग के नाम में आता है. तो मेरे साइड में ऐसा है कि पापा का नाम नहीं आता है, तो जो मेरे नाम में जो लास्ट में 2 वर्ड्स हैं सन्यासी राजू, वो मेरे पापा का नाम है.
अच्छा.
तो सिर्फ तक मेरा नाम है.
ये महाराष्ट्र की देन है.
हाँ, महाराष्ट्र 12th बोर्ड की देन है
ये जबरदस्ती है.
हाँ मैम, जबरदस्ती है. हर स्टूडेंट वो सरनेम के साथ फादर्स नेम अटैच कर देते हैं. तो जब तक मैं अपना 12th सर्टिफिकेट पे नाम नहीं चेंज करूंगा, वीआईटी वालों ने बोला है कि मेरा नाम चेंज नहीं करेंगे.
और फिर फादर के नाम की जगह फिर क्या लिखोगे? तुम्हारे नाम के साथ अगर फादर का नाम भी है तो तुम फादर के नाम.
हाँ, तो महाराष्ट्र में मराठी वालों का ऐसा ही होता है कि पहले बच्चे का नाम रहेगा, फिर बाद में पापा का नाम ही है, तो वो अलग से पूछते नहीं है.
पापा का नाम की जगह किसका नाम रहेगा फिर?
हाँ मैम, वही बता रहा हूँ, वो लोग अलग से पूछते नहीं है महाराष्ट्र में. तो को पता रहता है कि नाम में ही दूसरा नाम पापा का ही है.
अरे ऐसा तो नहीं है, मैंने बाकी बच्चों को भी देखा है. ये मुझे लगता है महाराष्ट्र स्टेट बोर्ड का काम ही होगा ना?
हाँ मैम, उन्हीं का है.
अरे बाप रे, ये इंडिया है या मतलब. छोड़ो. ओके, ठीक है.
हाँ मैम, थैंक यू.
Ma'am, can I show now, ma'am? I'm Saujanya Kumar Singh.
Saujanya Kumar Singh. 1 minute. Saujanya, I have not made you present, you know. हाँ Saujanya, 1 minute. Yes, I made you present, Saujanya. After that, who is interested to show?
Mahidhar.
Ma'am, I did that.
Ma'am, Anirudh also.
Wait, I'll make present you one by one. Only 4 raised hands are there. And Ritika?
Yes, ma'am, I did that, ma'am.
Don't worry, I'll check that. You just focus upon the task I have shown, okay?
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Ma'am, can you see my screen?
Yes, Saujanya. 1 minute, Saujanya. Are you getting output at here?
Yes, ma'am.
Check your DC voltages. At pin number 4 side, you have written only DC. If you zoom it, I can see it properly.
मैम
You have
15
not written. Whether you are getting the output, I have a doubt. You should not get the output in this condition. If you write two values
मैम
properly, then only you will get. Hemant,
Yes, ma'am.
whether your issue got sorted?
Yes, ma'am. Like I'm trying. It will get sorted again.
Don't worry, I'll help you. I'll help you. Let these people to verify their output. Okay.
Okay.
Ma'am, are you able to see, ma'am?
Yes, I'm able to see, but you are not able to follow me, no? Why you have not changed that value DC 15? Okay, show me. I
मैंने
will
चेंज
find
तो
out
किया
your change तो किया, लेकिन
मैम। या
रिफ्लेक्ट नहीं हो रहा है ना सौजन्य?
अच्छा मैम, दिख नहीं रहा है।
तुम्हें नहीं दिख रहा है? तुम्हारा सर्किट तो मुझे कैसे दिखेगा? तुम तो स्क्रीन भी शेयर कर रहे हो अभी। हाँ, ये अननेसेसरी विंडो बंद करो, तो ये प्लेस पार्ट वाला विंडो बंद करो, उसे बंद
ये
मतलब
वाला
क्लोज करो। हाँ, अभी आओ डीसी के साइड पे। डीसी इक्वल टू 15 मत लिखो, जस्ट 15 ही लिखो।
मैम वो हट ही नहीं
वैल्यू
रहा है
वाले
मैम।
को क्लिक
अच्छा
करो,
वो वैल्यू
जस्ट
कर दो।
हाँ।
अच्छा
हाँ, अभी छोड़ो, आएगा वो। रन करो
मैम। मैम ये रन करने के बाद ये आया था मैम।
क्या आया था?
अच्छा मैम, लगता है ये वाला स्क्रीन, ये वाला शेयर नहीं हुआ मैम। एक सेकंड।
Just go to your screen share and select the first screen with #1. Hey guys, if you want learn
अच्छा
this now, next time I will not repeat it. Okay, you have to learn all these things.
मैम माउस दिख रहा है?
हाँ, दिख रहा है। अभी वैल्यू टेबुलेशन
हाँ
वाला दिखाओ। ऐड कर्सर
मैम, मेरे
पिक।
में वो दिखना नहीं रहा है। टैबुलेशन वाला वैल्यू दिखा नहीं रहा है।
क्योंकि तुमने किया ही नहीं है अभी तक, कैसे दिखाएगा? वो स्टेप तो फॉलो ही नहीं किया है। अरे वाह, तुम तो कमाल के हो। हाँ, ये
मैम
नहीं।
उस दिन मेरा हाँ
हाँ, बहुत सारे एक्सक्यूजेस आएंगे, छोड़ो, मुझे कुछ नहीं सुनना है। फॉलो करो भी। हाँ, ये
हाँ
ग्रे एरो को क्लिक करो। उसको क्या बोलते हैं? टॉगल कर्सर बोलते हैं।
हाँ हाँ मैम।
उसके बाद रुको, अभी तो टेबल आया है, तुम्हें देखना है कि कौन से जगह पे ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ योर ग्राफ व्हाट इज द वैल्यू फॉर दैट। आफ्टर दैट टॉगल कर्सर नो, एक मिडिल वाला छोड़ के
हाँ
ऑप्शन नेक्स्ट वाला क्लिक करो, उसे कर्सर पिक बोलते हैं।
हाँ मैम, वो कर दिया।
हाँ, अभी स्लाइड करो अपना वैल्यू, दिखाएगा वो। स्लाइड इन द सेंस इनपुट एंड आउटपुट बोथ द थिंग्स आर देयर ना। You know how to get the value in two different window, okay, but you don't know how to show the value in tabulation, right?
हाँ
सुजन्या,
मैम। यस मैम।
ये रिमेम्बर रहा कैसे करते हैं?
हाँ मैम, ये तो हो गया।
कैसे करते हैं?
मैम वही मैम, ये टॉगल वाले पे क्लिक करके सेंटर पीक पे करना है।
नहीं, अभी ये जो दो विंडो पे शेयर किए हो वो कैसे करते हैं?
मैम वो तो प्लॉट पे, वो ऐड प्लॉट था ना मैम।
ठीक है, चलो, पता है, बच्चे को मालूम है। हाँ, ठीक है, नेक्स्ट वाला दिखाओ।
हम क्लास सुनते हैं ना मैम, इसलिए तो।
सुनते हो?
हाँ मैम, पूरा सुनते हैं मैम।
हम्म।
मैम ये नॉन इन्वर्टिंग वाला है।
ये तुम लोगों का फैट का पास मार्क क्या था?
24 मैम।
30 तो नहीं था ना?
नहीं, पता नहीं।
क्योंकि 29 पे पता नहीं। अच्छा,
मैम ठीक आया था, इसलिए मैम गौर नहीं किया।
अच्छा, जिन लोगों का पिक नहीं आया है, किसी को तो पता होगा। व्हाट वाज द पास मार्क इन योर लास्ट फैट? इट इज 24 और 30? यस सौजन्या, नेक्स्ट।
24 था।
मैम मैम ये वाला है वोल्टेज फॉलोअर वाला मैम।
लैब समझ में आया कि नहीं?
हाँ मैम, पूरा। अरे
ओके डन। यहाँ पे वो दिखाओ टॉगल कर्सर करके वैल्यू। ओके ओके डन। So this was verified for Sojonya Kumar Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
Registration number 475. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can I share now?
Okay, Sojonya. Huh. Yes. Who?
Rishikesh.
Rushik. Yes, yes. Don't worry, guys. I'll allow all of you. Rushikesh, then Anirudh. Na Anirudh, I'll make you. Then Mahidhar. Waiting. Wait. Then Prerna.
Yes, ma'am.
Wait. I'll make you later. After Mahidhar. Okay.
This is inverting.
Guys, you know how to share your screen, no? So that no need to go for a circuit and output back to back. If you won't follow that now, I will not make you present it. Just learn this thing. Just sharing the file in WhatsApp, you should not learn. You have to learn sharing the file in MS Team.
Can you see?
Yes. Tell me the values.
Ma'am, for input it's 0.9982 and for output minus 9.8985.
But if you keep your cursor properly, it will come exactly 9.9. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah. Next.
This is.
Rushikesh, it is 19 BC 672, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
This is for non-inverting.
Values are minus 0.995 and minus 10.992.
Minus. In non-inverting, you are getting minus means where you have to keep your cursor. Is this called as the peak of the cycle? How to define a complete cycle, Rishikesh? Who will say that? What is the peak of any cycle? And what should be the answer of non-inverting amplifier output voltage, whether it should come positive or negative? Rishikesh, your circuit is perfect only. You answer my question.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, who will answer? Just watch your friend's screen and answer. Where he should keep the cursor? Where he is doing wrong?
Here.
Peak.
Peak, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. 0.9997.
Whether the value is positive or negative now?
Positive, ma'am.
Yes. Okay. Next. Hey guys, you can imagine that in my class the strength is full, but I never missed out a single point to observe. So don't do that. Do it properly, carefully, attentively.
Yes, ma'am.
Again, you are doing the same mistake, Rishikesh.
Yes, ma'am. Same. It's coming same.
Yeah, it will come same, but negative sign should not come, na?
Yes, ma'am.
You should not keep the cursor at the negative peak. See,
Yes,
the cycle starts with this 0, means axis point. Okay, it will end with the same axis point only. So what is the peak? Don't keep it in the negative peak. You have to keep in the positive peak, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Rishikesh, verified for you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Then next, Anirudh.
Anirudh.
Next is You Mahidhar. Mahidhar, be ready. And next I will make Prerna. After Mahidhar, Prerna. And guys, yeah, Mahidhar, you carry on. Guys, for whom I have verified today, can you please acknowledge it once? Guys.
Yes,
Dear
ma'am.
students. Yeah.
Yes, ma'am.
It is Vikas, 18 batch 56.
Yes, ma'am.
Bhargav, 18 batch 86.
Yes, ma'am.
Jayasuriya, 189.
Yes, ma'am. 18
Then,
Bs.
yes, it is 18. How many times do I repeat the 18? That's what I'm saying. Sai Kishore, 336.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Prakhar Sa, 388.
Yes, ma'am.
Ritika Hota, 519.
Yes, ma'am.
Sujanya, 19 batch 475.
Yes, ma'am.
Then Rusikesh, 672.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, whether I missed anybody else up to this? No. Okay, fine. This is Anirudh.
Anirudh, ma'am.
Listen to me first. Your non-inverting or what are the output you are going to show? First, make the correction in your step size. It is not 0.01 millisecond. That's why it is not coming smooth.
What should I change, ma'am?
That step size you make only 0.01, not 001. 0.01. 0.01. And wait. Runtime you make 5 milliseconds. 5 m.
Where, ma'am? Runtime?
5 m only. Apply OK. Now you run it. Just zoom your circuit. Not now. Still mistake is there. You come to your circuit. It is not smooth. You show me your input values. Run. No. First, Anirudh, you close this log window. That creating PSpice, no, left hand side corner, that crossbar is there. You close that so that your screen can be big. Then click on this V option after this 4 voltage probe.
This one, ma'am.
4 voltage probe. One V is selected at the top, no? V is highlighted. Click on it. In this ribbon.
This one. Okay, this one, ma'am.
Where is your mouse?
My mouse is right on the sine wave.
Where is the voltage probe option in your toolbar?
Okay. Yes, ma'am. Voltage probe.
After the 4th probe, V is selected. Click on it. Now zoom your circuit. Zoom it. Zoom means if it is out of the window, how do I identify?
Yes,
slowly zoom. Wait. I have to find out the errors. 1K, 2K, 10K, offset 0, amplitude 1, frequency 1 kilohertz, AC 0. So why your output is not coming properly? I have to find out this. Where you have done the mistake. Run it now. No.
What's it?
Guys, can you see the errors where your friend have done the mistake? No, the graph is not smooth.
Ma'am, step size 0.01 m, ma'am.
Yeah, M only, na? He has not written M?
No, ma'am. No.
M. Now it will come.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah,
And this is non-inverting.
Yes, next. Guys, those who are present for this class, you just register your attendance by typing present in the chat window.
Just
Anirudh, how many times you are changing? I told you na, make your file ready.
yes, ma'am. Sorry.
Ready, huh? You should not repeat these things. Go to plot, add plot to info. Don't get panic. I'm not running anywhere.
This is for inverting.
So that toggle cursor and peak cursor with value you have to show me, not only graph. Okay, fine. Go for voltage follower.
Just also have to change 1 second on this.
Mahidhar, all your files should be ready. Within a click only you have to show me the output. One click only. No need to do like Anirudh. Anirudh is very lazy guy. He's not listening properly. 842. Anirudh, is it
842, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, Mahidhar.
It's okay. Can I stop sharing, ma'am?
Yeah, stop sharing. Mahidhar, next is Prerna, na? Yeah, Prerna.
Yes,
मैम दिख रहा है
नहीं.
like circuit diagram मैम
नहीं Mahidhar. हाँ अभी दिखा अभी. You Mahidhar, just close this log window and PSpice part searching window. Close it. Small window, you close it always after getting the parts.
is it okay now? I guess it's taking time, ma'am.
हाँ. Yeah, output came, but just rotate the toggle cursor and pick cursor so that I can see the values. Okay. Guys, those who got output today and it is verified also for them, you please upload your files, guys.
मैम हमें वो आपने स्टार्टिंग में क्वेश्चन दिया था उसमें एक डाउट है.
पूछो.
मैम अगर मिडवे जब बोला है मिडवे का भी एक कंडीशन दिया है ना कि मिडवे रहेगा वाइपर तो वहां पे वेरिएबल रेजिस्टेंस का वैल्यू क्या लेंगे 10 ही लेंगे कि कुछ और लेंगे
10 लो जो भी लो पहले तुम्हें एक्चुअली अननोन रजिस्टर का वैल्यू कैसे निकालते हैं वो सीखना होगा. वो जो वोल्टेज डिवाइडर नेटवर्क नहीं पढ़ाया था मैंने उस टाइप का.
3 केस होगा ना पहले तो
सपोज 1 वोल्ट 1 वोल्ट दे रहे हो इनपुट इज 1 वोल्ट V1 उसी हिसाब से लेके निकालना होगा तुम्हें और उसको एक एक्चुअली इक्वेशन टाइप का आएगा R1 R2 का वैल्यू निकालने के लिए. तुम लोग ट्राई करो नेक्स्ट क्लास में करवाऊंगी ये. ठीक है.
ठीक ओके मैम.
अभी नॉन इन्वर्टिंग ठीक है मैम.
यस नेक्स्ट पे जाओ. इधर नेक्स्ट. हाँ
ये वोल्टेज फॉलोअर मैम.
ठीक है. Mahidhar, it is 496 for you.
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Prerna, keep it ready.
Yes, ma'am.
मैम दिख रहा है?
Yes, Mahidhar, it is verified. Done.
ठीक है. Thank you.
Okay, Prerna, you may proceed. Guys, those who have shown the output, you may leave from today's class.
Thank you, ma'am.
Hemant, you wait. I have to rectify your output.
Ma'am, this is inverting.
Good.
And then this is non-inverting.
Very good.
And this is voltage follower.
Very good, Prerna. You are the student, only one student for today's class. You followed my word exactly. You have shown the output at within 2 seconds, I think. Is it 6? Registration number 6?
Yes, ma'am. 6.
Okay, okay, Prerna.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah.
I just disconnected, ma'am. There is a breakage in my Wi-Fi.
Who? Hemant.
Yeah, yes, ma'am.
Hemant, I'll just rectify your output. Oh, where are you? Just raise your hand. I will make.
Ma'am, there's actually problem in installation, ma'am. So I reinstalling
Will
it.
you rectify from your side?
Yeah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I rectify. I can write easy. It's a small mistake I done, and I asked my friend, and he rectified me.
Okay, okay. Akash, Anubhav, and Kaushik.
Yes, ma'am.
दिखाना चाहोगे आउटपुट?
हाँ मैम.
टाइम ऑफ हो गया है जो, क्या करोगे बोलो, दिखाओगे कि नहीं?
दिखा देंगे मैम, बनाया हुआ है.
एक इंस्टेंट में दिखाना. अभी जैसे तुम्हारे फ्रेंड प्रेरणा ने नहीं दिखाया, सर्किट पूरा रेडी था और फिर आउटपुट
सर्किट मैम रेडी है, ट्राई करेंगे जितना जल्दी हो सकेगा दिखा देंगे.
नहीं उतना भी जल्दी नहीं. मुझे जो दिखना है वो दिखाने के बाद.
मतलब तीनों ग्राफ दिखा देंगे
आपको. तुम्हें एडिट सिमुलेशन प्रोफाइल वगैरह सब करके रेडी रखो बस.
हाँ मैम, वो सिमुलेशन प्रोफाइल बनाया हुआ है, सीधा ग्राफ प्रोब्स लगा के ग्राफ करने हैं वो बस.
नहीं कुछ नहीं, रन करके दिखाना है बस, 2 विंडो में दिखाना है. ओके तो मैं तुम तीनों को करती हूँ मेक प्रेजेंटी.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
Yes, who is this?
Ma'am, Manikanda, this is. Ma'am, I have done with the circuit construction, but I have small doubts in output, ma'am. If in the end, if you have time, I will check. Can you check, ma'am?
Manikanda.
I will wait. Yes,
wait. Wait. After this 3 boy, I'll check. Okay.
I will wait.
Okay. अरे आकाश, अनुभव सिंह और कौशिक प्रकाश.
मैम एक्सक्यूज मी मैम.
ये फिर कौन आ गया? Yes.
Kaushik.
Yes, Kaushik.
Ma'am, I have another class, but I'm done with the circuits. Can I show it next class? The first thing next class.
Kaushik, when is your next class now?
Yeah, in some time at 4.
Kaushik, don't lie me. I am also your faculty.
Yes, ma'am. That's why I'm telling 4 o'clock.
You share first.
Anubhav is showing now, ma'am. I'll share it first thing next class, ma'am. Pakka, 100%.
No issue. Leave.
Thank you, ma'am.
Anubhav?
Yes, ma'am. Should I share?
हाँ, share करो.
Okay, I'm sharing.
Ma'am, can I show it next class too?
Akash.
No, ma'am, it's Devakinandan.
Ma'am, can you see?
Yes, तुम proceed करो. अनुभव तुम चलते रहो.
Okay. मैम ये इन्वर्टिंग वाला है.
501. 1 मिनट. हाँ.
दिखाएंगे मैं आपको.
तुम चलते रहो. मैं ये
Okay.
अभी एक स्टूडेंट ने बोला. Yes, who was asking me to show in next class? Manikant. No. Who was asking?
No, ma'am. I will show now. Me, ma'am.
Who?
Devakinandan. Like I'm getting a straight line.
Next class only.
That's why.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Ma'am, even I will show you next class, ma'am.
Who?
Dinesh, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. Fine.
Okay.
But guys, keep your promise.
Sure, ma'am.
Non-inverting.
Sure, I'm not getting the output. I think there's an error. That's why.
Yes, ma'am.
Guys,
Same with.
Guys, it is up to you. It is up to you.
No, ma'am. Definitely we will show you, ma'am, without any errors.
Let's see.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Yes. वोल्टेज
आकाश मैम अभी टाइम हो गया मैम, थोड़ा काम भी करना है।
ये मैम लास्ट वोल्टेज फॉरवर्ड।
एक मिनट रुको आकाश, थोड़ा वेट करो तो 5 सेकंड वेट करो। हाँ ठीक है अनुभव, ठीक है रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर 501 है ना, वेरीफाइड है। ठीक है चलो आकाश, क्या काम करना है तुम्हें आकाश? हाँ
मैम 4 बजे से क्लास भी है और अभी खाना भी नहीं खाया है और घर में भी थोड़ा सा सामान भी लाना था।
खाना बना रहे थे?
हाँ मैम।
मतलब तुम सच में बना रहे थे खाना?
हाँ मैम।
क्यों, कोई दिक्कत है घर में?
हाँ।
क्या है?
पर्सनल पे बता दूंगा आपको।
अच्छा ठीक है ओके चलो।
नेक्स्ट क्लास में आपको शो कर दूंगा आउटपुट।
हाँ ठीक है, खाना खा के क्लास अटेंड करो नेक्स्ट क्लास। मुझे अगर पहले बता दिया होता तो मैं 15 मिनट दे देती तुम्हें, 2:15 तक। ठीक है
थैंक यू मैम, बट अगली बार सबसे पहले दिखा दूंगा।
हाँ ठीक है, मुझे बताना लेकिन क्या है मतलब। ओके चलो मणिकांत
Yes, ma'am.
shall I make you presentee?
Yeah, ma'am.
Okay fine. ऋतिका તમે દેખેઈબો ના આજે चल बा
वोल्टेज फॉलोअर टा देखी रही थी तो लास्ट वाला।
पर टिके अटको है, टिके अटको।
हाँ मैम हाँ।
वेट करी पार बताओ। ठीक है मणिकांत, I have made you presentee.
Is it visible?
Yes, visible, but wait, no need for a hurry. Just wait, you have not used your edit simulation profile step size at 0.01 m. You check your edit profile simulation profile option. How to check that? Before run button, run a button you are clicking na, before that you click.
Okay, 5 milliamp and 10 milliamp.
No, that is a step size only. Where step size is written? No, you write 0.01 m.
Step size, ma'am.
And make it a note. Make a note of it.
0.01
m. That's all. Apply OK. This is which version you are using, Manikant? This is 32-bit, I think.
I downloaded from first link, ma'am. From the first link you posted.
Yeah, but you have downloaded for 32-bit system or 64-bit system?
I think it's 64, ma'am.
No, for us it is 64. For you, I think 32. That's why the option is coming differently. Okay, no issue. Now you run it.
I run.
मैम मैंने प्रेजेंट कर दिया तो मैं लीव कर दूं?
अनुभव सिंह ना?
यस मैम।
हाँ अनुभव, मैंने अगर रजिस्ट्रेशन नंबर बुला लिया है ना तो तुम लोग लीव कर सकते हो।
ओके 501 मैम, मैं लीव कर रहा हूँ। थैंक यू मैम।
ओके
मैम इसमें कर्सर वैल्यूज।
यस डू दैट। कर्सर पिक। नो नॉट दैट।
Okay.
Yes.
Is it visible, ma'am? Yeah.
Okay, fine.
It's okay, ma'am. What's my doubt is, I've done this and coming to second circuit. For me, it's not showing the option on PSpice, ma'am.
For you, why it is not showing means?
I've done first one and second one.
Just zoom it. You have not rotated your supply, I think. Just zoom your circuit. Slowly come to DC supply side. 1 kilohertz you write. Frequency KHZ you write. HZ, Yeah, then come to DC voltage side. That VCC side. Little bit top. Correct only. Now it will come, I think. You check. Oh, wait. One more wrong connection is there. That down VCC, no, from 7 side. That 2 BCC, this dual dots are coming. This is wrong connection. This is not grounded properly. This V3 to V2, you check.
Yeah, ma'am.
Delete that. How you have connected the ground? See, ground is connected to one. Yeah, delete that and first V3, V2 you connect, then you connect the ground. Only one side it was getting grounded, not both. That's why it happened.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
शांतनु है मैम. मैम लास्ट क्लास दिखा दिया था मैम, और आज थोड़ा नेटवर्क इशू के कारण दिखा नहीं पाया. फिर से नेक्स्ट क्लास दिखा दूंगा.
मैं तुम्हें एक ही बात बोलूंगी शांतनु, जिन लोगों के पास मतलब क्या बताऊं मैं, इच्छा नहीं होती ना उन लोगों के पास. डन ना? ओके. उन लोगों के पास एक्सक्यूजेस बहुत होते हैं. उसके आगे तुम क्या कहना चाहते हो, बोलो.
मैम एक्चुअली आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग मैम टुडे. मैम क्लास में भी मैं ट्रैवल कर रहा था कार से. अभी स्टॉप पे रुका हुआ हूँ.
वही बताना चाहिए ना मुझे शांतनु. सुनो, जो फैक्ट है मुझे वही बताना. मैं सुनने के लिए रेडी हूँ, लेकिन ये वो एक्सक्यूज मत देना मुझे शांतनु. मैंने बहुत सारे बच्चों को डील किया हुआ है, ठीक है, और सिर्फ VIT में ही मेरा मतलब एक्सपीरियंस बहुत है. तुम सच बोलोगे ना, मुझे ज्यादा अच्छा लगेगा. तुम बोल सकते थे कि मैम मैं आज ट्रैवल कर रहा हूँ और इसी वजह से मैं लैब का काम नहीं कर पाऊंगा. बस काम खत्म. और ये वो ऐसा मत बोलना तुम.
यस मैम.
नेक्स्ट
आपने कॉल किया था क्या? नाम
किससे? नहीं तो
नहीं. हाँ वही मैम, बस वही पूछना था. मतलब कि कॉल किया और मैंने रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं किया, ऐसा कुछ हुआ क्या?
नहीं ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं.
Okay,
Monica.
Yeah, ma'am. Done, ma'am. But where's that option is not showing, ma'am? PSpice option.
Actually, why it is not showing? No, Monica.
Yes,
when you did the design for this, you have not done with the new project window. You have done in the simulation window.
Yes, ma'am. In the same din, I use I clicked on new and I kept new design. I use the new design option.
No. Project only you have to go.
I need to. Okay, ma'am.
That's why. Not new design.
Okay, new project.
Yeah. If you go to new design, that PSpice option will not come.
Okay, ma'am. In the next
Always
class,
remember. Yeah. No issue. Fine. Okay, stop sharing. Only last, Ritika.
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, share your screen.
Voltage follower, ma'am.
Now you got the error?
Yes, ma'am. I got it.
Where you are lagging?
No, ma'am. There was no error. I was just not able to, put that probe properly and doing it in the plot, adding to the plot. Yeah.
Okay, Ritika. Okay, fine.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah. Okay. So I'm leaving the meeting, huh?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Hello, ma'am.